Welcome to this beginner guided meditation. Let's just first make sure that we are seated in a chair or cross-legged on the floor. And if you're on the floor, then it is good to use a cushion so that you can sit more comfortably longer. Once we are now seated, let us focus on having the correct posture. So shoulder blades back, chest slightly out. Bring in your abdomen just a little bit. Make sure your chin is parallel to the ground, neither too low nor too high, right here. And most importantly, keep your gaze gently at the spiritual eye, the point between the eyebrows. And have your arms, your hands rested at the junction between your thighs and abdomen. Once you're in this posture, just take a couple of breaths here just to feel what it's like to have the proper posture. Keeping the gaze at the spiritual eye. This is the doorway to higher states of consciousness, to deeper meditations. The spiritual eye is the center of concentration and willpower. Now, let's begin with the prayer, some thoughts of gratitude. Divine Spirit, bless me in this meditation. Awaken my perception of thy presence. Bring me peace and joy. Om, Om, Om. Om is a sacred word for, it is the sound of creation. So it is good to close our prayers with the Om. It seals our prayers and helps to deliver it better to spirit, to the source, to God, whatever you want to call that divine entity. After finishing our prayer, it's always good to just take moments of silence in between each activity we do in meditation. That way we can feel the benefits of each activity and make it worthwhile. Now let's practice a breathing exercise. Breathing exercises, or pranayamas, which are the more proper terminology, help to control the life energy in our bodies, which produces calmness, which helps to stop the thoughts and calm the emotions, allowing us to better perceive our soul, better perceive our true essence, and awaken us to higher states of consciousness. So I will first describe the breathing exercise and then we'll practice it together. So the breathing exercise is called 20-20-20. What you need to do in this is to match your inhalation, your exhalation, and the holding of your breath at equal times. So let's say you inhale for 5 seconds, then you hold the breath for 5 seconds, and then you exhale for 5 seconds. And we repeat this about 6 to 12 times. In today's video, we'll just practice it. We'll just practice it 6 times. So let's inhale now together. Hold the breath. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale for 5 seconds. Hold the breath. Exhale for 5 seconds. Let's do it again 5 more times. Inhale. Hold the breath. Exhale. And on the exhalation, we exhale throughout the mouth. So inhale through the nose, exhale through the mouth. Inhale again. Hold. Exhale. Inhale. Hold. Exhale. Inhale. Hold. Exhale. Now practice it 3 more times at your own pace. Okay, now just sit in the stillness. Feel the benefits of this breathing exercise, this pranayama technique. And just go deep into the peace, the calmness that you're experiencing right now. And just focus all your attention at the spiritual eye and just go deep into there. Don't strain, don't force. Just relax into it. And if thoughts are coming up, just bring the mind right back to the spiritual eye and back to the feelings of calmness. Now we're going to practice an affirmation, still keeping the attention on the spiritual eye. In every technique, never lose your attention at the spiritual eye, the point between the eyebrows. This is the secret. This is the key to success. For the affirmation we're going to practice, it will be simply peace and joy. Peace and joy. We'll repeat it together. I will say it out loud, but practice this mentally. Peace and joy. Peace and joy. Peace and joy. Every time you say peace and joy, feel peace, feel joy. Feel it in the heart and feel it expand and grow throughout your whole being. Peace and joy. Peace and joy. Peace and joy. peace and joy, peace and joy, peace and joy. Feel it going deeper and deeper and deeper. Peace and joy, peace and joy, peace and joy. Feel it coming wave after wave. Peace and joy, peace and joy, peace and joy, peace and joy. Now just mentally on your own, continue the peace and joy. Now, just sit quietly, stop the mental chanting of peace and joy, and just focus on the feelings of peace and joy within you now. And just relax into those feelings of peace and joy. Allow it to just consume you. Forget space and time. Forget the worries. Forget everything. Your nature is peace and joy. That is your true self. That is you. Merge with this truth. If you feel your mind wandering again, then just repeat peace and joy until it's calm, and then go back into the silence, back into the stillness. Om. Let us close with a prayer, a thought of gratitude. Thank you for this peaceful and wonderful meditation. Help me to carry this peace and joy with me throughout all my activities in the day, that I may serve others in calmness, serve others joyfully, and be productive. Om, Om, Om. Thank you for attending this meditation session.